Hello student, now today we'll see derivatives of an implicit function. First we'll see what is the meaning of implicit function. Implicit function means what? Function of the form y is equal to f of x होता है बराबर. अभी तक हम लोगों ने देखा था. But here a relation in which neither x nor y can be expressed exclusively or directly in terms of other is called an implicit function. Means what? In most general form of implicit function is given by f of x comma y is equal to 0. मीन्स अभी तक हम लोगों ने क्या देखा था, सिर्फ y इज इक्वल टू समथिंग फंक्शन, y इज इक्वल टू कुछ f ऑफ x में फंक्शन गिवन रहता है, ठीक है. बट इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन में क्या होगा, आपको डायरेक्टली एक फंक्शन दिया जाएगा जिसमें x और y के फंक्शन मिक्स होंगे. x और y टाइप के फंक्शन, यहाँ पे दोनों वेरिएबल के फंक्शन मिक्स होंगे, इसको बोलते हैं इम्प्लिसिट टाइप ऑफ फंक्शन. Now we'll see how to differentiate this implicit type of function with examples. Suppose here question number 1, we have to find dy upon dx if, suppose first function very easy and simple example, root y x plus root y is equal to root a. ऐसे टाइप का फंक्शन को बोलते हैं इम्प्लिसिट टाइप ऑफ फंक्शन, क्योंकि अभी तक हम लोगों ने सब टाइप फंक्शन में क्या देखा, अभी तक इनवर्स, देन कंपोजिट, राइट, logarithmic function में y is equal to f of x type of functions are given, okay. and ये टाइप के फंक्शन जिसमें x और y का मिक्स फंक्शन है, इसको बोलते हैं इम्प्लिसिट टाइप ऑफ फंक्शन. नाउ ये भी सेम ही सॉल्व करना है बाय यूजिंग सेम डेरिवेटिव, सेम रूल्स. सी हाउ टू यूज दिस. Now here directly differentiate with respect to x. Obviously derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x, right, प्लस, लेकिन रूट y का डेरिवेटिव क्या आएगा, ऑब्वियसली सेम 1 अपॉन 2 रूट y, लेकिन यहाँ पे विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे हो और x की जगह पे क्या है, y है, तो ये y अगेन डिफरेंशिएट होगा. रूट ऑब्वियसली रूट a, लेकिन कांस्टेंट हो गया, कांस्टेंट का डेरिवेटिव 0. सो ऑब्वियसली dy अपॉन dx, ये साइड ही लिखूंगी मैं, सो 1 अपॉन 2 रूट y dy अपॉन dx, ये प्लस है, वहां पे जाके माइनस होगा, माइनस 1 अपॉन 2 रूट एक्स. देयरफॉर dy अपॉन dx, यहाँ पे डिवीजन में है, यहाँ पे जाके माइनस 2 रूट वाई डिवाइड बाय 2 रूट एक्स. गेट कैंसल, 2 टू गेट कैंसल, सो वी गॉट हियर माइनस रूट वाई अपॉन रूट एक्स. सिर्फ सिंप्लीफाई करना है और dy अपॉन dx फॉर्म में लिखना है, बाकी सम डेरिवेटिव्स वगैरह हम लोग जैसे सॉल्व करते थे वैसे ही सॉल्व करना है इन दिस इम्प्लिसिट टाइप ऑफ functions में. Okay, now see one more example. Suppose second one is given by x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube is equal to 81. Suppose ये फंक्शन दिया हुआ है और हमें सॉल्व करना है. सो यहाँ पे भी सेम डायरेक्टली डिफरेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. सो ऑब्वियसली एक्स क्यूब का डेरिवेटिव 3x स्क्वायर, राइट, प्लस यहाँ पे u इंटू वी टाइप ऑफ फंक्शन हो गया, सो u एज इट इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ y, राइट, प्लस y एज इट इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x स्क्वायर, ठीक है, प्लस ये भी x इंटू वाई स्क्वायर u इंटू वी टाइप ऑफ फंक्शन हो गया, तो अगेन यहाँ पे x एज इट इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ वाई स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर एज इट इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x प्लस वाई क्यूब का डेरिवेटिव क्या आएगा, 3y स्क्वायर, एंड y की जगह पे x की जगह पे y है, हम लोग x रेज टू n के लिए डेरिवेटिव यूज करते हैं, लेकिन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे हैं, तो अगेन dy अपॉन dx इज इक्वल टू 81 का डेरिवेटिव ऑब्वियसली 0. नाउ see after this 3x square plus यहाँ पे x square dy अपॉन dx, राइट, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, 2x आएगा डेरिवेटिव, तो 2xy ठीक है, प्लस यहाँ पे वाई स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव 2y, राइट, एंड y की जगह x की जगह पे y है, तो यहाँ पे x इंटू वाई, सो 2xy इंटू डी वाई अपॉन डी एक्स आएगा, राइट, प्लस फॉर दिस वाई स्क्वायर और x का डेरिवेटिव 1, सो वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 3y स्क्वायर इंटू डी वाई अपॉन डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू 0. Okay, now see after this मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, सो डी वाई अपॉन डी एक्स टाइप ऑफ फंक्शन है, मैं ये साइड लिख रही हूँ, जो अलग फंक्शन है वो राइट साइड लेके जा रही हूँ. सो दिस एक्स स्क्वायर डी वाई अपॉन डी एक्स, आफ्टर दिस प्लस 2xy dy upon dx plus this last 3y square dy upon dx is equal to क्या होगा, ये प्लस 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 है तो ये साइड जाके माइनस हो जाएगा. सो माइनस 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 2xy माइनस वाई स्क्वायर, dx कॉमन आएगा तो क्या बचेगा, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2xy प्लस 3y स्क्वायर, माइनस बाहर निकालोगे 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 2xy प्लस वाई स्क्वायर. ऑब्वियसली यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लीकेशन में यहाँ जब पे जाके डिवाइड होगा. सो अवर डी वाई अपॉन डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू माइनस ब्रैकेट 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 2xy प्लस वाई स्क्वायर द होल डिवाइड बाय एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2xy प्लस 3y स्क्वायर. अंडरस्टूड. आपको सिंपली डिफरेंशिएट करते जाना है, जैसे आप डिफरेंशिएट करते थे को डायरेक्टली डी वाई अपॉन डी एक्स सिंप्लीफाई करके डी वाई अपॉन डी एक्स हमें लास्ट में लाने. आई विल सी वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. ओके, सपोज नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन थर्ड वन इज गिवन बाय सपोज y इज इक्वल टू y इंटू सॉरी y into e raised to x plus x into e raised to y is equal to 1. Okay, y into e raised to x plus x into e raised to y is equal to 1. ये टाइप का सपोज फंक्शन दिया है, तो when we differentiating this function with respect to x, so obviously u into v type of function, both are u into v type of functions, right? So first here y as it is derivative of e raised to x क्या आएगा, e raised to x plus e raised to x as it is derivative of y, right? For this plus here also x as it is derivative of e raised to y, but x की जगह पे y है ना, तो dy upon dx again plus e raised to y as it is and x का derivative 1, right, is equal to obviously 1 का derivative 0. now after this dy upon dx मैं ऐसा ही लिख रही हूँ, तो मेरा क्या बचेगा, dy upon dx में कॉमन निकाल रही हूँ, तो मेरा e raised to x प्लस x इंटू ई रेज टू वाई, तो मैं जो अलग है वो राइट हैंड साइड लेके जा रही हूँ, तो माइनस मेरा आएगा ई रेज टू वाई माइनस दिस y into e raised to x. Okay, so therefore dy upon dx is equal to, यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लीकेशन में यहाँ पे जाके डिवाइड हो जाएगा, so minus e raised to y. Okay, now this is equal to dy upon dx is equal to minus e raised to y plus y e raised to x. यहाँ पे डिवाइड हो जाएगा, so e raised to x plus x into e raised to y. This is derivative of given function. Now we'll see more examples. Now we'll see next example. Question number 4. X raised to y is equal to e raised to x minus y. Obviously, so x raised to y is here. So implicit type of logarithmic type of function, right? So apply log on both sides first. Okay, then obviously y log x is equal to x minus y into log e. Obviously value of log e is always 1. Since log e is equal to 1, we got here only x minus y, right? So we got y log x is equal to x minus y. So now here when we differentiating this with respect to x, obviously this is u into v type of function. So u as it is derivative of log x plus log x as it is derivative of y is equal to obviously x का derivative minus dy upon dx. Now here log x का derivative 1 upon x plus log x dy upon dx. Here x का derivative 1 minus dy upon dx. ओके, now मैं dy upon dx ये साइड लेके जा रही हूँ तो log x dy upon dx, दिस यहाँ पे माइनस है, यहाँ पे जाके प्लस हो जाएगा. नाउ हियर वन, ये हियर दिस इज इन पॉजिटिव, यहाँ पे जाएगा तो निगेटिव. सो हियर obviously dy upon dx common, so आएगा log x plus 1. Now after cross multiplying this, x minus y divided by x, so obviously dy upon dx is equal to x minus y divided by x, and this 1 plus log x, derivative of given function. Yeah, there is no need to express RHS only in terms of x. Okay. Next, we'll see next example. That is fifth one. Suppose given by x y is equal to log of x into y. ठीक है, so directly differentiate कर सकते हैं function को. So when we differentiating with respect to x, so we got right x into y function, u into v type of function, right? So obviously x as it is derivative of y plus y as it is derivative of x is equal to now log of xy. So log x का derivative 1 upon x. Now this is one composite type of function to derivative of x into y again. Now after this x, your dy upon dx plus y, derivative of x is 1, now is equal to 1 upon xy. Now here x as it is derivative of y plus y as it is derivative of x, right? Now x dy upon dx plus y is equal to, now here 1 upon xy, x dy upon dx plus only y, x का derivative 1, right? Now after this obviously x dy upon dx plus y is equal to x divided by xy dy upon dx plus y divided by xy. So x get cancelled, your y get cancelled. Now x dy upon dx, यहाँ पे प्लस में, यहाँ पे जाके माइनस y upon dx and 1 upon y is equal to, यहाँ पे क्या बचा सिर्फ 1 upon x, so 1 upon x, यह पॉजिटिव, यहाँ पे जाके निगेटिव. Okay, now after this obviously dy upon dx, here x minus 1 upon y is equal to, after cross multiplication obviously 1 minus xy divided by x. Therefore obviously we got here dy upon dx into this, after cross multiplication xy minus 1 divided by y is equal to 1 minus xy divided by x. ठीक है, that means that this implies dy upon dx obviously this 1 minus xy divided by x into, इसका इन्वर्स हो जाएगा, so y upon xy minus 1. Okay, now see after this, therefore dy upon dx is equal to here 1 minus xy divided by x into this y and minus 1 minus xy. Okay, so that get cancelled, so minus y upon x dy upon dx. So derivative of given function is this. Okay, derivative of what? Xy log of xy. Okay, now we'll see more examples. See next question number 6, x raised to 5 into y raised to 7 is equal to x plus y the whole raised to 12. Now by using log, obviously x raised to 5 into x raised to y raised to 7 is equal to log of x plus y power 12. Now obviously you will m into n type of function, log of mn. So log x raised to 5 plus log y raised to 7 is equal to obviously log x plus y power 12. Next, therefore 5 log x plus 7 log y, which is equal to 12 log of x plus y. Okay. Now after this, obviously x raised to 5 into y raised to 7 is equal to x plus y the power 12. ऐसा टाइप का फंक्शन आता है तो पुट्स log on both side first, then by using laws of logarithm we got this. Now differentiating with respect to x on both side, so obviously phi is constant, derivative of log x plus 7 constant derivative of log y. Obviously here also 12 constant derivative of log x plus y. Right, after this 5 constant log x का डेरिवेटिव 1 upon x plus 7 constant log y का डेरिवेटिव 1 upon y, and obviously this is one composite function because we differentiating with respect to x, so here again derivative of y. Now this is equal to 12 derivative of log x plus y is 1 upon x plus y, again derivative of x plus y, and then after this 5 upon x plus 7 upon y divided upon dx is equal to 12 divided by x plus 5. Here obviously derivative of x is 1 and derivative of y. Okay, now we got here 12 upon x plus y, right? Plus 12 upon x plus y into dy upon dx, right? Here 5 upon x plus 7 upon y dy upon dx. So now after this, see 7 upon 5 dy upon dx. Here positive is function. Now here we got negative. Okay, here 12 upon x plus y. This minus 5 upon x. Okay. Now after this, obviously 7 upon y minus 12 upon x plus y into dy upon dx is equal to 12 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x. Right, now after this cross multiplication, obviously 7x plus 7y minus 12y divided by y into x plus y into on dx is equal to 12x minus 5x minus 5y, right? Divide by x into x plus y. So after this, obviously 12 7y minus 12y is minus 5y. So 7x minus 5y divide by y into x plus y to dy upon dx is equal to, here also 12x minus 5x is 7x. So 7x minus 5y divided by x into x plus y. Okay. So here dy upon dx is equal to 7x minus 5y divided by x into x plus y into this, इसका इन्वर्स आ जाएगा y into x plus y divided by 7x minus 5y. Get cancel, your x plus y also get cancelled, y upon x. Okay, means we got here dy upon dx is equal to y upon x. Okay. See next question number 7. If log of x plus y is equal to log into x into y plus p, then we have to show that dy upon dx is equal to minus y square divided by x square, where p is constant. Okay. Here given log of x plus y is equal to log x into y plus p, right? This means what? Log x into y, m into n type of function, log x plus obviously log y plus p, any constant. Here log of x plus y. Now we differentiating this function with respect to x. So we got here obviously our derivative of x plus y is 1 upon x plus y, and again derivative of x plus y, right? This is one composite function. Log x ka derivative 1 upon x plus here log y derivative is 1 upon y, and again derivative of y, right? This is also one constant ka derivative 0. So here after this 1 upon x plus y, your derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of y, right, is equal to 1 upon x plus 1 upon y dy upon dx. Now see here 1 upon x plus 5 plus, right, 1 upon x plus 5 into dy upon dx is equal to 1 upon x plus 1 upon y dy upon dx. Okay. Now after this, see 1 upon x plus y dy upon dx, and this minus, right, 1 upon y dy upon dx. Now here 1 upon x, this minus 1 upon x plus y. Now therefore dy upon dx bracket 1 upon x plus y minus 1 upon y is equal to 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus y. Now after cross multiplication we got here obviously y minus this x minus y, right, into y into x plus y is equal to, here also x plus y minus x divided by x into x plus y. Okay, here plus minus y get cancelled, plus minus x get cancelled. So we have only dy upon dx, here minus x into y upon into x plus y, right? Here only y divided by x into x plus y. Okay, now dy upon dx is equal to this y, x into x plus y into, इसका इन्वर्स आ जाएगा y into x plus y divided by minus x. So x plus y gets cancelled, minus y square upon x square. So hence we have proved that dy upon dx is equal to y square upon x square. Understood how to solve this type of function? Okay, now after this we'll see one more example. Yes, see next question number 8. If y is equal to in square root cos x plus again in square root cos x plus again in square root cos x plus up, this is up to infinity, then we have to show that dy upon dx is equal to sin x divided by 1 minus 2y. Now here given what y is equal to in square root cos x again in square root cos x plus again in square root cos x plus this type of function up to infinity. Okay. Now this means what? In square root log क्या है मेरा? Square root log x plus square root log x means what? Obviously cos x plus again this y ये हम लोग हटा देंगे तो ऑब्वियसली ये फिर से क्या आएगा? cos x plus root cos x this up to infinity means this is equal to y, right? So in square root log x plus y, right? Means what? Y square against so taking square on both side we got what? Y square is equal to cos x plus y, right? Now after this we differentiating this with respect to x. So obviously derivative of y square to y and with respect to we differentiating with respect to x so that dy upon dx is equal to derivative of cos x is minus sin x, right, plus derivative of y. Now therefore 2y dy upon dx is equal to सॉरी दिस यहाँ पे प्लस है यहाँ पे जाके माइनस डी वाई अपॉन डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू माइनस साइन एक्स. So therefore dy upon dx in bracket 2y minus 1 is equal to minus sin x. So obviously dy upon dx यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लीकेशन में यहाँ पे जाके डिवाइड माइनस साइन एक्स डिवाइड बाय 2y minus 1 means this is equal to minus sin x divided by minus 1 minus 2y. So minus minus is equal to sin x divided by 1 minus 2y. This is equal to dy upon dx. Okay, understood this? See next question number 9. Suppose given by if e raised to x plus e raised to y is equal to e raised to x plus y, and we have to show that dy upon dx is equal to minus e raised to y minus x. Okay. Now this is given, right? E raised to x plus e raised to y is equal to e raised to x plus y. Now differentiating this with respect to x. So obviously derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x plus derivative of e raised to y is e raised to y, and now this is one composite function. So again derivative of y is equal to obviously e raised to x plus y का derivative आ गया e raised to x plus y, and again derivative of x plus y, right? Now see after this obviously e raised to x plus e raised to y dy upon dx is equal to e raised to x plus y, x का derivative 1 plus dy upon dx, right? Now after that therefore e raised to x plus e raised to y dy upon dx is equal to e raised to x plus y plus e raised to x plus y into dy upon dx. Therefore dy upon dx this e raised to y minus e raised to we're writing here e raised to y dy upon dx plus e raised to x as it is. Solve for this e raised to x plus 5 writing as it is 1 plus dy upon dx. Now for this e raised to x plus 5 from obviously our question is what e raised to x plus e raised to y is equal to e raised to x plus y, right? Means e raised to x plus y is equal to what? E raised to x plus e raised to y. So I am putting here e raised to x plus e raised to y and this 1 plus dy upon dx, right? So obviously this means e raised to x plus e raised to y for this plus here e raised to x plus e raised to y into dy upon dx, right? Now after Solving this, here e raised to y dy upon dx plus e raised to x. So e raised to y dy upon dx, this minus e raised to x plus e raised to y into dy upon dx is equal to e raised to x plus e raised to y, and this minus e raised to x. Here plus e raised to minus e raised to x get cancelled, and from here dy upon dx, obviously in bracket e raised to y minus e raised to x minus e raised to y is equal to e raised to y. So here also plus minus get cancelled, so dy upon dx, this minus e raised to x into e raised to y. So dy upon dx is equal to e raised to y minus होगा e raised to x, means this minus e raised to y minus x, which I want, right?